First of all, I don't think we should call it AI because it's not artificial. It is the creation of very, very capable, innovative, real minds. So it is perhaps more real than ourselves. I won't be able to give technological or technical explanations for AI, but I can take refuge conveniently in the contention that art is a means of communication. And art has this wonderful capability of engaging the humankind in a very, very intimate relationship with themselves or their surroundings. It's a relationship which is on one hand creative and on the other hand critical. Thereby, the relationship encourages the individual to embark upon a journey of awareness, learning about themselves, about their surroundings, and this journey enables them to situate themselves, tells them that the land that you live on, in our context, has a heritage history of about 9,500 years. If we start from Mehergarh and going beyond that, there are possibilities that this land has much older civilizations which are going to be discovered in future. So if we start from Mehergarh and then consider Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Gandhara, etc., the land is full of myriad imprints left by the image makers who had made this country their home, coming from various continents. You know, we have an enviable cultural heritage, and we are blessed with one of the most enviable indigenous cultural narratives, which has fantastic mechanisms of teaching us how to come closer to each other, how to communicate, how to respect the wonderful diversity that this land has, how to coexist. So in that reference, since art is a means of communication, therefore I see AI as a very, very efficient tool. And as we progress, the tool is also going to progress and assist us in many ways. For instance, I'll think of a scenario if I were to write a storyboard on a certain subject, let's say Mehergarh, then seeking help from AI, I'll feed AI with the maximum possible information about Mehergarh and request AI to write a scenario for me or write a storyboard for me. And this wonderful solution will dig into the data that contributed by our kind, humankind. So the relationship between AI and ourselves is going to remain very intimate, whether you are a performing artist, a sculptor, a painter, a filmmaker, music composer, a fashion designer, etc. I don't actually fear it. I see AI assisting us in many, many ways, especially someone like myself who's challenged by technology always, who's lazy in mathematics, who's very, very lazy in processing the data. So I think I'll be very comfortable with the AI, and I can see wonderful things happening beyond our imagination.